Are you tired of squinting at your TV screen wishing you had that true cinema experience at home? What if I told you there's a way to transform any room into your personal movie theater without breaking the bank or renovating your entire space? The Optoma UHZ36 4K laser projector is absolutely changing the game for home entertainment, and after seeing what this thing can do, I had to share it with you. This isn't just another projector, it's like having an IMAX theater in your living room. First, let's talk about that stunning 4K UHD picture quality. We're talking about 4 times the resolution of regular HD, which means every detail pops with incredible clarity. Whether you're watching the latest Marvel blockbuster or rewatching classic films, you'll notice textures and details you've never seen before. The difference is honestly jaw-dropping. But here's where it gets really exciting. The HDR support brings colors to life in ways that will make you question why you ever settled for a regular TV. Dark scenes actually have depth and detail instead of looking like black blobs, while bright scenes don't wash out. It's like seeing your favorite movies for the first time. What really impressed me is the filmmaker mode feature. This preserves exactly how directors intended their films to be seen, with authentic colors and proper aspect ratios. No more wondering if what you're watching matches the creator's vision, you're getting the real deal. The laser light source is brilliant because it lasts up to 20,000 hours, which means you're looking at years of movie nights without worrying about expensive bulb replacements. Plus, it powers on instantly, no more waiting around for warm-up time when you want to start your movie night. This projector is consistently rated as one of the top choices by thousands of buyers who've made the switch from traditional TVs. People are raving about how it's transformed their entertainment experience, and honestly, once you see a movie on a 100-plus-inch screen with this picture quality, going back to a small TV feels impossible. Whether you're a serious movie buff, sports fan, or just want to give your family the ultimate viewing experience, the Optoma UHZ36 delivers professional-grade performance at a price that actually makes sense. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal and see why so many people are making this upgrade. Your movie nights will never be the same.